chair. Oh, hilarious. No. Hey. Nothing. I'm just waiting to take a good picture. I'm just waiting for What are you up to tonight? Gotta go now, babe. Love ya. Do you just make that weird noise?
No. What weird noise?
Like.
I swear that was your dishwasher or like washing machine.
I don't have a dishwasher under my bed.
I said downstairs.
I have a dishwasher. Dishwasher.
Under my bed.
Under my bed. I have a I'm gonna put it on my Sunday. I quite like it. Everyone's gonna be like, you weirdo.
Everyone has like cool names and you're like,
I have a dishwasher
under my bed.
I have a dishwasher. Under my.
You should write that.
So said it to question it. I have a dishwasher under my bed.
Yeah.
I have a.
What are you doing?
Just waiting to take a good picture of you.
Why are you holding it then?
Because I'm waiting to get a good picture of you. But every time I go to take a good picture, you're either just plain smiling or you put a glove in front of your face. I can't really take a good picture while doing that. I have a dishwasher under my bed.
You're videoing.
Yeah, that's why I put it on my leg.